welcome to another tutorial. Today, Auji French, which is the movement that everyone knows, but many people still cannot do it. Today, I will show you the tutorial, but the most important bit of this video are the most common mistakes people do that prevent them from doing Auji French, and that's what you have to really focus on. The requirements for the movement: you need to know Passa French, you need to know AU, not being scared being upside down, and it's really useful to be able to do forward flip. That's it. Okay, cool. If you've been training Auji French for some time, but you still cannot pull it off, okay? There is high chance you're doing one of those three mistakes. Number one, you're making the movement too narrowly. You need to spread the movement. You need to spread the distance between your hands and your landing leg. Spread the movement, make it big, make it elongated. Number two, you're dropping your hips. You will probably drop your hips because you're landing too close with your feet to your hands. You need to spread the movement and try to keep your hips up at all times. That's why you need to practice Passa French. Lastly, you probably relax your shoulder. On landing, you need to keep your shoulder engaged. There is this very simple handstand exercise that allows you to practice this. You cannot relax your shoulder, and this applies to many acrobatics out there. I can guarantee you that those tips will help you improve your Auji French, 100%. Let's get into some examples of use.